Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you guys are doing well and fine. So today I'll be giving you like a tour of after the move-in. Actually, I've moved in about 2 weeks ago, and we have a lot of things to unpack and whatnot. So I felt like the house is currently in a okay state to show you guys what is it, how does it look like, and to bring you guys a tour for this video. And at the end of the video, I also have some update that I want to share with you guys on what is coming on in my life where in terms of career. So stay tuned for that if you want to know more about that news. So without further ado, let's get on with the tour. So I'm right here at the front entrance, and as we walk in through the front entrance, this is the main living area. We have a small PC station for my mother, and also can be considered like a common area or for whoever wants to use the PC. Over there we have a dining table, and around the corner that will be the kitchen. As you probably would have known, my mom is a great cook and she likes her kitchen big and complete. It is still a current work in progress. We have a small wet kitchen, obviously nowhere to the size of my previous house, shared with the laundry area. So this is the main sink where we wash our things, and all the appliances are laid out across the counter and across the table. So obviously this kitchen is not as ginormous as the previous house, of course, because this house is probably half the size of the double story that I used to live in. And this is the main living area, and I think my dog Coco wants to be in the video. Hi Coco, say hi. Hi. And the main living area, we have a nice big three-seater couch which allows us to lie down and take a quick nap. And also this is where the TV is, and we have a pretty big balcony that oversees the entire city. It's actually facing west, so during the evening, which is now the time that I record this, the sun is crazy, man. So this is where I live, so overlooking the entire town. And if you're lucky enough, sometimes you can see all the way to the mountain. I think today is quite a nice day, less clouds. So continuing with the tour, this unit is a 3-room, 2-bath. And over here we have the first bath. This is the common bathroom. To the left would be my mother's room. So currently we are just occupying these 2 rooms, and this room over here is the guest bedroom. So like I mentioned, it's not complete, still a lot of stuff to go through, so give us some time. We'll need time to clear all this stuff. And here is the master bedroom. This would be my room, where I'll be bringing more videos from this area here. So there's a bed, my workstation, my shelves, and this PC project that I am going to go through for my mom's friend, which is to fix up the PC. And the window here also lets in a lot of light, and it's very cooling, especially when you open up the windows. Definitely a lot better than my old room, which is stuffy and hot. So this is definitely a nice area to create contents with natural light. So just some cabinets. These are my cabinets for my clothes, and also we have some miscellaneous stuff on top, suitcases, badminton rackets. And this is the master room ensuite bathroom. So hope you guys enjoy the short tour of my house after I move in. There's clearly a lot more things to unpack, especially my mother's things. She tends to be a bit, I would say, hard to let go kind of person. So there are going to be a lot of things that she needs to throw away as well, because we do not have much time to completely pack and go through one by one the items from the old house. So like I mentioned, early part of the video, I have some news to share with you guys. So what you'll be expecting is another move, which is on my part, because I will be relocating to Singapore for a new job. So I'll try to document my move to Singapore where possible, and also bring you guys another tour of my so-called room when I'm in Singapore. Definitely I will not be able to afford a whole unit all to myself, and hope you guys stay tuned for that as well. There are plenty of changes coming when it comes to myself, professionally and personally. So it'll be quite a mixed feeling, emotional time, having to leave my family behind. But it's for the best, and it's for my career development. And I think while I'm still able to, in my mid-30s already, be able to get some exposure working overseas and internationally as well. As far as for the content goes, don't worry, my content will still be very local here in Malaysia. Yeah, sometimes I will do vlog in Singapore and whatnot, but my main interest is still to help you guys out and create a more general content, not restricting country-wise or whatnot. So I hope you guys are okay with this tour. If you want to see a more updated tour, that is gonna be quite a long time from now, as I'll be moving to Singapore in August. So expect a next home tour somewhere around 2023. And hopefully by then my mom will be able to finish clearing her stuff and get the guest bedroom ready for relatives to come and stay in, and give her some company when required. And until the next video, take care, stay safe, and this is just a quick update from my side. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.